I school in the SMA Negeri 1 sama 2 and I'm from sama 2.
I came from.
Introduce myself, Sabila Yumna. I'm from high school, senior high school number 1, Tapak Tuan. I live in. My name is Niftaula Ade Hidayati. I from school SMA 1 sama 2. I live in sama 2.
My name is Yunda Nashira. You can call me Yunda. I live in sama 2. I school at SMA 1 sama 2.
My name is Maulidia Amanda. I came from the school Man 1 Aceh Selatan. I come from village Air Berdang village. I came from Tapak Tuan village.
My name is Nisa. You can call me Nisa. I come from school SMK 1 country Tapak Tuan. I live in Lok Sapangka village. I come from Tapak Tuan. Let me introduce myself to you all. My name is Suci Olansari. You can call me Suci. I come from Tapak Tuan. I live in Batu Hitam village. I come from the front SMK Negeri 1 Tapak Tuan.
My name is Rizky Mulya Tanita. My name is Rizky Mulya Tamita. You can call Mita. I'm live in Kutablang. I'm from school MSN 1 Seoul Aceh.
My name is Nadia Devira. I came from school Man 1 South Aceh. I live in Air Berdang.
Introduce myself. My name is Miss Ramadhani. Usually called Miss B. I live in Air Berdang. I school the MSN 3 Aceh Selatan.
MSN?
Yeah. My name is Amanda Triparoga. I live in Labangkuang. I came from SMK Negeri 1 Tapak Tuan.
My name is Pintu Rizky. I live in sama 2 South Aceh Selatan. South Aceh. I come from to school MSN 1 Aceh sana. South Aceh.
My name is Rian. My nickname is Rian. I came from school SMK number 1 Tapak Tuan. I live in Labangkuang.
My name is Tanzil Al-Kawsar. I come from sama 2 Arafah village. I study at MTSN 3 Aceh Selatan.
My full name is Muhammad Rizky. My nickname is Rizky. I come from school SMA Negeri 1 Pasir Raja. I live in Terbangan.
I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ilham Ardika. Some usually call me Ilham. I came from school senior high school number 1 in Tapak Tuan. I live in Air Berdang and I was born 13 April 2006.
Introduce. My name is Senel Swandi. I live in Gunung Kerambil.